Hey, it's Christos here from Shihi Toyota in Timonium. Hey, here's that Corolla after he fixed the hail damage. I should have done this before he fixed the hail damage, but you saw how it was before. This is the trunk. This is the roof. The dent wizard, I tell you. This is the hood. We're gonna clean it and get all the bird crap off of it. But look at that. Side panels. Man, this guy's good. Let me know if you can see it. Well, swing back by today or not. And I'll let you know tomorrow before you're en route if it's still here. Just let me know.